For Apple MacBook users, a new software update is rolling out, macOS Tahoe 26.6.2. Coming to the size, it's 2.89 GB. According to the update description, this update brings security fixes for the Mac. I have started downloading the update, and once it's done, I'll go ahead and install it too. Just so you know, there won't be any noticeable changes in the UI after installing this update. I'll be sharing my user review after using the Mac for a while post update, followed by the Cinebench scores before and after the update. So stick around till the end of this video. The model I'm using is the MacBook Air M1 with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB SSD. So far, everything is working normally on my laptop apart from the battery drain issues, which started right from the Tahoe update. If you're still running your MacBook on Sequoia or an earlier version, stick to it for now. Don't install Tahoe just yet. Apple will soon be rolling out the next major OS version for MacBooks. I'll test that one too and share how it runs on my MacBook Air M1 in a future video. Let's see whether any new issues show up or whether the current ones finally get fixed. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so you never miss an update. Coming back to this update, it took around 10 minutes to complete. Make sure you don't press any buttons while it's installing. Now coming to the scores, here they are before and after the update. Coming to my overall review, in short, my MacBook is running the same as before with no improvements or changes observed after installing this update. I'm eagerly waiting for the next update to install and check it out. Also, drop your MacBook's update review in the comments so everyone can see how it's performing across different models. Thanks in advance for sharing your valuable reviews in the comments. See you again in the next video.